The action camera market is buzzing with speculation, especially after recent leaks suggesting that DJI may be developing its first 360-degree camera, the Osmo 360. This news has sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts while also raising concerns for GoPro, which has long dominated the action camera space. In response, rumors indicate that GoPro is preparing to launch its second-generation 360-degree camera, the GoPro Max 2. Fans are eagerly anticipating this release to see which brand will take the lead in the 360-degree camera market. A well-known leaker, Quadro News, recently shared what appear to be early images of the GoPro Max 2 on the social media platform X. These leaked photos hint at significant design changes, including a modular build and improved cooling features, two key upgrades that address common issues with the original GoPro Max. One of the most noticeable updates in the leaked images is the lens shape. Unlike the square or rectangular lenses found on other GoPro models, the Max 2 retains the rounded lens design of the original GoPro Max. This decision likely enhances the camera's ability to capture a full 360-degree field of view, which is crucial for immersive footage. Another major design change is the camera's ribbed body. This feature serves more than just an aesthetic purpose. It likely functions as an advanced cooling mechanism. Overheating was a common issue with the original GoPro Max, particularly during long recording sessions or in hot environments. With improved heat management, the Max 2 could offer greater reliability for users who need to film extended action sequences, travel adventures, or vlogs. Heat control is critical for action cameras, as excessive temperatures can degrade performance and shorten the device's lifespan. By addressing this issue, GoPro may be making the Max 2 a more dependable choice for users. Additionally, the leaked images show a small display beneath the lens, similar to the screen on the original GoPro Max. This display allows users to preview their shots, adjust settings, and review footage on the go. While it remains unclear if GoPro has upgraded this feature, there is speculation that the new model may offer enhancements for a better user experience. The original GoPro Max, released in 2019, was praised for its 6K 360-degree video quality, but faced criticism for its overheating issues and poor low-light performance. Since then, competing brands have introduced advanced features, such as Insta360's 8K video recording at 60 frames per second. To remain competitive, the GoPro Max 2 will need to match or exceed these capabilities while improving upon past shortcomings, like heat management and low-light performance. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Max 2 is its potential modular design. If true, this would allow users to customize their camera setup by swapping out parts or adding accessories. For instance, users might be able to attach a larger lens for better low-light recording or integrate additional accessories to enhance sound quality or durability. A modular approach would provide greater flexibility, making the Max 2 adaptable to various filming needs. As for the release date, GoPro enthusiasts may need to wait until late 2025 to see the Max 2 officially launch. While this timeline is still speculative, the increasing number of leaks has fueled significant anticipation among action camera users. Until GoPro provides official confirmation, these leaks and rumors will continue to generate excitement. If the company successfully addresses the key issues of its predecessor while introducing new competitive features, the GoPro Max 2 could solidify its place as a top contender in the 360-degree camera market. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news and reviews. The first image of DJI's upcoming Action 6 sports camera has been leaked, hinting at an exciting release in 2025. While an exact launch date remains unconfirmed, sources suggest it will hit the market between March and June. The new model will retain the 1950 mAh battery capacity found in the previous Action 5 Pro, ensuring similar power performance. As anticipation builds, more details are expected to emerge in the coming months. Signs are pointing to the imminent release of the DJI Osmo Action 6. While official details remain under wraps, regulatory filings have begun shedding light on what could be the next big addition to DJI's camera family. Regulatory filings hint at the Osmo Action 6. The first clue comes from recent filings spotted at the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, in the United States. These documents explicitly mention a product named DJI Osmo Action 6, notably omitting the Pro label found on the last model. For those familiar with tech launches, FCC filings are often a strong indicator that a product is nearing release. Adding to the anticipation, similar filings have surfaced with Switzerland's regulatory authority, SGS, suggesting DJI is pushing forward with certifications in multiple markets. This points to a possible global launch in early 2025. While the filings don't provide exhaustive details about the camera's features, they do reveal interesting tidbits about connectivity and battery options. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to support Bluetooth 5.1 alongside dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring smooth wireless transfers and seamless pairing with mobile apps or accessories. More intriguingly, the filings mention two battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This suggests the possibility of two distinct versions of the camera. The current Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a 1,950 mAh battery, so it's plausible that this higher capacity might be reserved for a premium model, while the smaller capacity could belong to a standard or budget-friendly option. If DJI does release two variants, the differences may extend beyond battery life. A Pro version might focus on enhanced performance, extended recording capabilities, and premium features, such as advanced stabilization or higher resolution video. In contrast, the standard model could prioritize portability, affordability, and simplicity, appealing to casual users. Battery life is a crucial factor for action cameras, especially for users relying on them for long adventures or capturing time-lapse footage. A dual-model approach could give DJI an edge, catering to both casual consumers and professional content creators. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro received praise for its compact design, impressive image quality, and versatility. However, it wasn't without flaws. Users have pointed out areas for improvement, including better low-light performance and support for higher video resolutions. Addressing these shortcomings would help the Osmo Action 6 stand out. Improved low-light capabilities would make the camera more reliable in challenging environments, such as underwater dives or evening sports events. Additionally, offering higher video resolutions and faster frame rates could boost its appeal among content creators. Another area ripe for enhancement is image stabilization. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro already delivers smooth footage, there's always room for improvement, especially when competing with rivals like GoPro's Hero lineup. It's likely the Osmo Action 6 will debut in early 2025. These filings typically surface a few months before a product hits the market, so an announcement from DJI in the first quarter of 2025 seems plausible. While a quick follow-up to the Osmo Action 5 Pro might seem surprising, it aligns with DJI's strategy of rapid iteration based on user feedback. The action camera market remains fiercely competitive. The Osmo Action series has carved out its niche, and the Osmo Action 6 could further solidify its position with improvements in video quality, stabilization, and smarter features.